Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics lecture. It is pre-algebra class, lecture 13. In this lecture, we will explain algebraic expressions. First, uh, variable. We want to define variable in algebra, the sample which has no fixed value. Which has no fixed value is called variable, and it is denoted by x, y, z, and so on. The sample which has a fixed value is called constant. Constant denoted by numbers like 23, 10, 7, 2, 8, and so on. These are constant and these are uh, variable in algebra. Arbitrary constant. Some English alphabet has fixed value, but the fixed values, but the values are unknown. This kind of constant denoted by A, comma B, comma C, and so on. So here, example 3a x plus b. Here 3 is variable, constant, x is variable, a and b are arbitrary constant. They can be numbers sometimes. In parts of algebra, we will explain this kind of variable, and we have three kinds of concept in algebraic expression, and they are variable, constant, arbitrary constant. We define variable, the sample which has no fixed value is called variable, and it is denoted by x, y, z, and so on. Constant, the sample which has a fixed value is called constant. Constant denoted by numbers like 23, 10, 7, 2, 8, and so on. Arbitrary constant, some English alphabet has fixed value, but the values are unknown. This kind of constant denoted by A, B, C, and so on. In this example, we have 3a x plus b. Here 3 is constant, a and b are arbitrary constant, and x is variable. Constant, variable. These are arbitrary constant. Definition of an algebraic expression. Here we want to define algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a collection of letters variable. Letters and variables and real numbers constant. Combine using operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. Exponentiation example, 3x plus 2y minus 3z a b. It is an algebraic expression. 3 is an algebraic expression because we can write 3x to the power 0. It is also an algebraic expression. 4x is an algebraic expression. ABCX cube also an algebraic expression. The letters combined with multiplication and exponentiation operations. They are called algebraic expression terms. Next one, terms. A term is a part of algebraic expression which is separated by operation addition. It is the definition of theorem. A theorem is a part of algebraic expression which is separated by operation addition. By operation addition. Example, x squared plus minus 5x plus 3 is equal to x squared plus minus 5x plus 3. Here x is a term also, minus 5x another term, 3 is another term. They are terms in these algebraic expressions. This expression has 3 terms. If we call number 1, number 2, number 3, 3 terms are here. Terms x square and minus 5x or variable variable terms, and 3 is constant term. Here the number in variable terms are called coefficient, numerical coefficient, or called numerical coefficient, or called numerical coefficient. The numerical coefficient of x square is 1, and the numerical coefficient of minus 5x is minus 5. Actually, they are the concept of algebraic expression. We studied in this part, we studied variable, constant, arbitrary constant, and algebraic expression and terms. Variable, every sample which has a specific has no specific value is called variable. Constant is a sample which has a specific values. Or arbitrary constant, some English alphabet which they don't have any exact value is called arbitrary constant. They have exact value, but they are not clear. Also, these 3 parts was an parts of algebraic expression. Here the definition of algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a collection of letters, variable and real number. Real number mean constant, letters mean arbitrary variables. Combined using operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation, they are called this kind of expression is called algebraic expression. Here 3x plus 2y minus 3z b is an algebraic expression because their numbers and letters they combine by operation addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Here 3 is also an algebraic expression because 3 into x to the power 0. 3 is an arithmetic expression also. Every arithmetic expression is an algebraic expression. 4x is also an algebraic expression because letter and number they are combined by multiplication here. Here also letters with numbers combined by subtraction and exponentiation. It's called an algebraic expression. Terms is a part of algebraic expression which is separated by operations addition. Here example x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to x square plus minus 5x plus 3. In this algebraic expression has 3 terms. X square minus 5x plus 3. This expression has 3 terms, x square and minus 5x are variable terms and 3 is constant term. Here number which exist in variable terms are called numerical coefficient. Example here, the number 1 multiplied by x squared. So the numerical coefficient of x squared is 1. The numerical coefficient of x is -5. And 3 is constant term. It was the lesson of this lecture 3. Here we want to write some example of terms, but we will explain clearly in part of polynomial this kind of algebraic expression. Here we explain because in power or exponent we will use algebraic terms. We will use letters x squared, x cubic, x to the power 4 and so on. In part of power or exponent, we need to these terms, this kind of algebraic terms. For this reason, we studied here, but we will study this expression also in polynomial parts of algebraic. Example 1, terms. We want to write some example of terms. Here 3x. 3x is terms. It has one term. Two plus x. It has two terms. Number 3 minus 5x cubic plus 2xy minus 3. It has three terms. Number 4 x divided by 3. It is one term. Numbers or letter which separated by addition operation, then they make terms. Here we have multiplication, so it is called one term. Here we have the 2 and x separated by plus, so two terms is there. Here we have three terms, 1, 2, 3. Here we have one term because there is no addition operation or subtraction, because it is called one term. Number 5 3x minus 5 minus 3 divided by 5 plus 2x to power 4 minus 5x to the power 6. It is also has four terms because 3x by 5 minus 3 by 5 plus 2x squared x to the power 4 minus 5x to the power 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has four terms. Here numerical terms, numerical coefficient. 3 by 5 is numerical coefficient of x. Here it is constant term. Here 2 is the numerical coefficient. Minus 5 also is the numerical coefficient of x to the power 6. This was the lecture of 13, which we studied about algebraic expression, variable, constant, arbitrary constant, algebraic expression, and terms. Thank you.